Right, speaking of Karnataka now, the Karnataka High Court has recently brought curtains down on what it said is perhaps the oldest case in the criminal justice system in the state by quashing proceedings against a Bengaluru resident in a 45-year-old criminal case. Now, the Bengalurian was charged with accompanying two men who were accused of murdering a man over a land dispute in Udupi way back in June 1979. The petitioner, Chandra alias Chandrasekhar Bhatt, said that he was working in Bengaluru from 1979 to 2022. Though he was available for all the time, no summons or warrant was served to him in the case. The High Court now observed that if the facts are noticed, there is an impossibility of conviction of the petitioner which looms large, and therefore, if acquittal is imminent, permitting trial against the accused will be nothing but a waste of precious judicial time. Chandrasekhar was in fact 22 when the crime was registered on June 8, 1979.
Interesting here that the Karnataka High Court, in fact, has gone on to point out how this is a 44-year-old case. The man here in concern, the petitioner, is currently a senior citizen. He's in fact 68 already. There's not been any trial there. And earlier this year, the Udupi police, in fact, went on to, of course, seek a case there for trial. But this has now been quashed by the Karnataka High Court. I'd just like to read out one line there from the court order, which, of course, sums up the entire issue beautifully. It really goes on to say that the court, in fact, in this case, if it did allow for trial, would be nothing but a waste of the precious judicial time of the court. Of course, this is probably something that not just with this case, but, across the country also may be emulated from the Karnataka court. We see several cases that are registered. Many years pass by, there's no trial. And in this case too, 44 years later, when the Udupi police has now sought a case for trial there, the court quashing this, saying it's a waste of judicial time, that those witnesses who appeared back then in 1979 or 80 would not really be able to be approached now. And in tandem with that, this has been quashed.